There's an old proverb that says, let another man boast of you, not your own tongue. I was thinking about that this morning about if you would do what's on your heart, if you would continue to grind and pursue the hustle and really work on the dreams and the inspirations you have without worrying about or trying to get the instant gratification, so to speak. Because one thing you'll realize, if you're really going to get it, there is no such thing as instant gratification. You will get moments as you grind that will give you the strength and courage to keep going. But you won't reach that goal instantly. You got to grind. And I think that's a big myth with how we look at people and how we look at influencers and people that um, seem to be where we want to be. We never really look at the process. And once we look at the process, we realize that there's no need to boast. Like, there's no need to say, oh, I did this like this, because the process will keep you humble. You know what I mean? The process will let you know that, hey, I made it here, but there was some trials. I made it here, but I went through something. You see what I'm saying? I made it here, but I didn't do it alone. You see what I'm saying? If it wasn't number one or two people in your corner at the time, so I learned that if a man would just humble himself, you don't have to worry about boasting about what you're doing. If you keep doing what you're doing, someone else will boast about what you're doing. And that's a bigger honor. You see what I'm saying? Because it's like, um, if I run around and just toot my horn all the time, people will be like, oh, yeah, whatever. You know what I mean? But when you show something, it's a completely different thing. You just show the work ethic. You stay on it. You stay on it. You show the hustle. Like, you don't have to say anything. And you might be wanting to hear certain things from people. And you're like, man, I ain't getting the response that I want. But you are. They ain't saying nothing. But you are. So the goal is just to keep doing what you're doing. Stick to the heart. Stay consistent. Remember, the process is key. And don't worry about boasting, because someone else will do it for you. Hold on.